Do you like MySenlan products?
Yes, I love it.
Let's go. And here we go. We are live right now. Thank you so much guys for visiting this channel. And today I'll be doing a review on MySenlan new products. And these are actually part of their new release jersey, which falls under Asian Art series. So they sent me a pair of gloves, they sent me the bib, the jersey, and also the base layer. Now, before I go into the technical details, I wanted to share this. The product comes in the black color packaging and it's really very impressive, very beautiful. And if you open up the packaging, everything is packed up really very nice. Alright, so you unzip this and the jersey is just inside. And for those of cyclists out there, if you have purchased a lot of jersey before, you love a good packaging, right? So this is how it looks like with all the tags and really very impressive. Now this is the same jersey that I'm wearing right now, which is the navy green color, and I really like the design. Check this out, really very nice, and I'm very happy with it. Now this jersey is really very fitting, and if you get the right size, it feels really comfortable. Now as you guys know, I'm actually staying in a very hot country. It could be about 40 degrees Celsius out there when I'm cycling. This jersey works just fine. Now I did a little bit more testing on this product for this round, and I actually went for gravel riding instead of road itself. So I'm here to report and to share that this set works really well on gravel and on road. Now for this jersey, I really like it because of the design. The fitting is really very comfortable, and as you know, it is all seamless. Even the sleeves, the neck area over here on the bottom, everything is just seamless and it looks really very slick. It is more towards a race feel kind of look, and yet at the same time feels really comfortable even if you're riding on a long journey or long hours. And on top of that, I've actually tried this on road and on gravel. As you know, when you're cycling on gravel, there's a lot of dust, there's a lot of mud, and the rocks are everywhere, loose sand, loose rocks, and at the same time, I really felt comfortable. Nothing much to complain about, and I'm very happy with it. Now there are a few more small things that I really like about this jersey. The first one would be the zippers. The zippers are actually working really very well, nothing to complain about. And the pocket, right? The back pocket, the position of the back pocket over here, check this out. It is not too high and it is not too low. You can actually fit in your phone, your wallet, or any other things that you take during a ride, and it's very easy accessible. By just putting your hands behind, you can actually access to all the things from the pocket itself. There are small details over here that are really interesting. Check this out. So this is a small logo for the Asian Art series, and on the inside there's also a surprise, which is something I'm really grateful and also very happy for. Check this out. Here we go, some small details over here which makes it very interesting. So all in all, I really love this jersey. If you get the right sizing, you will feel that it fits in like a glove and very comfortable at the same time, and I'm really happy with it. Thanks for sending me such a nice jersey, MySenlan. Okay guys, now let's talk about the bib. Now the model that sent me is the Men's Fly Shadow 2, and I'm really very impressed with the bib quality because I not only test this on road, I also test it on gravel riding. So let's talk about the bib. There's a lot of technical details over here. Hang on. Let me just put this mic here.
Okay, alright, oops, okay, alright, so now.
There's a few technical details that I wanted to share on this bib. The first one is the straps over here. It is cut seamless with laser, and also it goes all the way down to your waist and to your back as well. So everything is really seamless, really lightweight material, and very comfortable at the same time. Now what really impressed me is that when I tried this bib on a gravel road, I didn't feel any pain or discomfort at all. That's something that really surprised me, because all the bibs I've tried was on road and it feels comfortable. It's supposed to be that way. But if you bring a bib, first time wearing it, into a gravel riding, as you know, on gravel ride, you have all the bumps, the sand and the stones and all that, and at the same time, you're worried about the pain that's gonna have on your back. Now, I'm here to say that after 2 to 3 hours of riding on gravel, I felt very comfortable, no pain or whatsoever, no discomfort at all. Now that's the best part about this BIB, and I'm really very surprised. Good job to the MySenlan team for the second time, right? Now, when I mention comfortable, it means that I enjoyed wearing it. I don't feel any discomfort at all. And the rubber part on my thigh, it doesn't give me any irritation at all. So after 2 to 3 hours of riding, I felt okay. And I look into my skin, there's no irritation and no pain whatsoever. So that's the good thing about it. The next thing that I want to talk about is the base layer. Now, these are the amount of base layer that I have, and I'm very picky on the types or the quality of base layer that I wear. So when they sent me this base layer, I put it on, and guess what? Very comfortable, and I'm very impressed with it at all. To compare with all the base layers that I used to have, it works as good, if not, it's better. So what else can I say? Everything is just awesome with the base layer. Now lastly, I'm going to talk about the glove. Now I've done a review on the glove before, and nothing much for me to complain about the glove. Everything just fit perfectly. I got an L size which fit my hand like a glove. And there's this MySenlan logo over here, and then there's some paddings over here for your extra comfort, and on the top over here it feels really comfortable. No irritation, no sign of discomfort at all. However, there's one little area that I wish could be improved a little bit further, and that's just me. Now when I ride my bike, I sweat a lot, especially this part, my mouth area. So I tend to actually swipe my hands, especially my left hand, like this. So I have moustache over here, so it's sort of a rub against the material over here. So you can see that it's actually coming off a little bit. So comparing to this side, it's perfect. And this side, you can see that it's actually coming off. So I hope that this area could be slightly improved, maybe another piece of cloth for wiping. I'm sure I'm not the only person that does this, or maybe it's just me. Other than that, in terms of fitting, comfort, everything is thumbs up. So here we go, guys. These are the quick review on the products that MySenlan sent over, and overall I'm very impressed and very happy with the quality of the jersey, the bib, the glove, and also the base layer. And not only me, my friends that ride together with me, they saw the product, they liked it, they purchased one, and now they are a returning customer. So most of them are actually trying out for the second time, and I'm very happy to be sharing such a great product with all my cyclist fellow friends. All right, and hopefully this video will give you some confidence in purchasing the product. And of course, have a good one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Madami kang madadaanan, dapat diretso ang tingin, wag kakaliwat kanan. Hindi makapaniwala sa tangi mong kagandahan. Nung una kang makita, muntik na akong mabulunan. Ang aking matang sa dilim, di nakakakita. Ilusyon lamang pala na ikaw ay makakasama. Mag-ingat sa paligid.